Guys, this is a Subaru emergency brake replacement video. In order to reach the lever, you'll need to remove first the boot, the gear stick, manual gear stick, gently pulling it. And it pops out, but be gentle. Same goes with the boot for the lever itself. Just be careful not to break any of the clips. Then you can carefully slide it off the lever and just put it aside. The next thing to do is to go on the rear and find those two caps. They look like this, and there's these bolts underneath on each side. Here they are, here and here. So if you reach them, it would be best to reach them from the rear. Once you remove that, the gear shift boot, the emergency brake boot, what you'll need to do is you'll need to be careful with those two clips here. They're very tricky, especially this one on the left. You should not remove that one. What you'll need to do is you'll need to first pop up this by pulling it. Then you need to pull this side and carefully move it to the right until the second clip releases this part here. It's very tricky. So once you get that one out, you simply put it forward. There's no need to release any of the cables. So, oh sorry, missed a step, forgive me. Yeah, it's very important. This is the lever for the multiplicator, this one. Just the manual gear shift has it. If you're an automatic, you should not have this lever, but in order to remove it, you have to carefully pop the cover, which looks like this. It has two clips on each side. Just pull it gently, it should pop off, and underneath you will find this with this bolt, which basically stays here. Goes like this. Okay, just remove that bolt and slide this one off. Okay, then you should pull the lever up. You can press the clutch at the same time. Just pull the lever up, sorry, and then it will allow you to exit the lever from this hole here. Otherwise you will not be able to move the whole panel. It will stay there. And once you remove this lever release the emergency brake lever, both nuts on the left and on the right side. I don't know if you can see that, but okay, once you remove those, you just go in the rear and just pull the whole console up front like this. Pull it up front, and then there it goes. No cable needs to be detached. See? All the cables are in place. This is the auxiliary 12-volt outlet. This is the heater control. And this is the cooler. If you have a cooler in your glove compartment. Okay, so this is the emergency brake joint with the two cables for each side. That's for the right, this is for the left one, and this is what holds the whole lever. I have one bolt, I think that's 12mm, two, and the third one's hidden right here, so I have to pull the seat on the back. So yeah, just 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. There's a cable that has to be unplugged as well. This should be easy. It's the emergency brake cable. Okay, you have to push this down and then pull. Okay, this is the sensor for the emergency brake on and off, and that's it. Just go for the 12mm. Yeah, it is 12. Of course, you have to be on the first gear, so the car will, or have the car parked in pretty even place, like a parking lot, because you obviously wouldn't have the emergency brake. And then of course after you remove the faulty one, actually this is the thing that gets faulty. I don't know if I can get it. Yeah, these are the gears. See the teeth here? They're getting pretty damaged with the time. They wear a lot and they need to be replaced. I don't know, maybe that's design flaw, Subaru design flaw, but yeah, that's the problem. That's why I'm really replacing it with a, well, hopefully better one. It's not a new one. Thank you for watching.